Hello everyone, so today I want to teach you about Cesium custom data source. So what we will learn about Cesium custom data source and about entities collection and why we need custom data source. So only one reason, separate entities to categories. And remember, every data source has its own entities collection. From the documentations, we see that Cesium custom data source is here a really simple example. Here we create a custom data source, we add an entity, and in the last we add this data source to the viewer data sources. Now, it's very important to note this, that when you access to the viewer.entities, it's only, as you see, it's a getter. There are no setter to the entities. It's returns from the default data source .entities. You can't override it. It's only read only. Okay, you see, there are only get. There are no set. So there one more reason why we need the custom data sources. So this is my code. Okay, so we create the viewer, we get all the data source names. It's a return string. In my case it's only one. Then we iterate on this list and we create new custom data source, and this function I check that go to viewer data source, get by name, check that the length is equal to 0, and only then we add it. I will show you why we need this statement. After this, after we have the custom data source, we can access by get by name at 0. Why? Because get by name returns us a list, and then we access to the entity collection and add. We create a ship, for example, in my case. Okay, so let's say in the last, this is what we see. I added a custom data source, and we see here a ship, and we have also a button which I call debug me, and returns me things that I needed. Okay, this is the wall code. Okay, it's not really important. Div, button, span, global position on click, create a ship. I just return an entity with a billboard, and all this code you already saw from the presentation. Now, after what I wanted to show you, why I have this if statement here. Let's put it in a comment. Okay, 1, 2. This I will return it, and let's this time create 2 times a custom data source. So what will happen? Okay, 1 second. Okay, and there's no bug. Okay, we see the entity, everything looks great. Let's put a breakpoint here, and return debug me, and now here in the console, it will faster will be to copy the code. Okay, I write viewer.datasource.getByName and the ship data source we created, and looks what happened. We have double time the same data source. So in my cases, I saw a lot of bugs that can happen from making 2 times the same data sources. So this is the reason why I put the if statement to prevent this. Okay, and let's just return all this code, and let's give it a refresh. Okay, and the last thing I want to show you is that let's go. I again copy until the entities collection. Okay, and now I can remove all, and I continue. Okay, so what I wanted to show you So when you have a custom data source of sheeps and I don't know something else, you can remove them separately. This is the reason you can remove the entities, and it's very convenient way to use the custom data source. So this is the end.